Meaning of fatten.
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 Fatten. The word fatten means to increase the weight or size of something, usually an animal, by feeding it more than its necessary amount. This process is typically done in preparation for slaughter or sale. The result of fattening is a significant increase in the animal's body mass, particularly in the meat and fat content. It can also result in health problems for the animal if not done carefully. Fattening is commonly used in the livestock industry to produce meat that is considered to be of higher quality due to increased marbling and tenderness.